Welcome to another Small Town Inc. Today we are installing a post and rail sign, but we're not using a post and rail sign kit. I'll explain. Here's a little footage of our install. Roll it.
Yeah, roll. Yeah, sorry. I thought you were just talking through it.
Yeah.
It's hard.
I burst the seal. All right.
Roll it.
Now I put it. How long?
Just a few. I think just a few times until it's. And I think that's probably good.
That's probably good.
That's fine.
All right. Oh yeah, I feel the activation.
Yeah,
it's heating up.
Warm. Yeah, I feel it working already.
It's warm.
It's stiffening up.
Is it?
Already, yeah.
Woo! Oh wow!
Amazing.
Look at that.
Yeah, I mean it got stiff like in the first 10 seconds.
That's pretty cool. Sure beats chugging around 50-pound bag of concrete.
That's absolutely true. Holy crap.
Wow. Well, we did a 36-inch hole, 8 inches.
Yep. Skate.
Let's see. I'm gonna get a close-up of this working.
Okay.
All right. It's our first time using this Seca post-fix expanding polyurethane foam. So it's a two-part. You got a little line right there that you got to break. So to break it, I'll make sure I got my knife. Here it is. All right. To break it, you roll it up right here until the seal is broken. There it goes. And then they recommend putting it on your knee like this. Mix it up. That's probably good. Then you cut this corner here and pour it in. You can really feel the heat on this stuff when it's working, activated. It's slowly coming up. Maybe I put it in there too fast. It's reacting though. Yeah, she's coming. She's coming. Oh yeah, look at it. So this stuff replaces a 50-pound bag of concrete. You can, for a 4x4 post like this, they recommend a 36-inch deep hole with that's 8 inches around, and it'll fill it up. And it's supposed to be stronger and better than concrete. It'll rise above this, and then you let it cure and you just cut off the excess. Pretty cool stuff.
It's a little tougher than I thought it was going to be out here.
Yeah.
Good enough to knock them back. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it dramatically knocks them back, for sure.
Big drip was coming off of it. Everything on the front of here. I caught it with the brush. That would have been horrible.
All right. Just got to cut away this foam. The aluminum post, I needed a 10-foot aluminum post, and I needed 2 of them. I just ordered them from Home Depot because I had a hard time getting that from my supplier. The install went great. It was our first time using the foam to set the post. Highly recommend it. It was great. Very lightweight, a lot easier than lugging around some concrete. So not a bad way to go. And my understanding is, in terms of rot and things like that, it really helps when you're to use that stuff when you're utilizing like a 4x4 post. Don't have to worry about rot with the aluminum post. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you very soon. Take care.